Okay. Hi guys, I'm here with Baskin, model. I'm sure you guys have seen her around. So today we are going to completely revamp her closet. She's actually really organized. I can't wait for you guys to see. She gave me a run for my money. I'm sure she could teach me some things. Her apartment is beautiful. But today she's telling me that her biggest thing is that she needs to kind of go through her wardrobe and decide what she wants to get rid of, because she has so many great pieces, but you don't need to keep all of them.
Definitely.
Because you have to basically decide, I have X amount of pieces, but my closet is this big. So you have to be realistic. You have to get rid of some things, even though, I mean, I wish I could have all the clothes in the world, but unfortunately we always can't. So I wanted to ask Baskin, I want her to tell us a little bit. So how does your closet make you feel in the morning? Obviously, like we said, you're pretty organized already.
Yes. So I am really organized, but right now I have so much stuff and it just feels kind of cluttered.
Yeah.
I like just to be completely decluttered, and like when I walk in to have extra space.
Yes.
And so I want to clean out some things, and then also be able to pair. Sometimes I'm not good at styling because I wear sweatpants all day. And yeah, I need help making.
But the athleisure is really in. I'm gonna be honest.
I did work out this morning though.
Oh, okay, good. So Baskin is going to give us a VIP tour of the before of her closet.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Come on. So this used to be much better, but it's a bit cluttered. So these are my favorite shorts, and then skirts. These are all my dresses. More skirts back here. They kind of got mixed up. These are my cardigans, jean jackets, more cardigans, and then just my tees, and then jumpers and rompers right at the back. And then this is like the shirts I like to wear a lot. And then all this stuff, these are like heavier jackets that I don't really wear, and I don't even know what this is. I have no idea. These are my pants. They used to be color coded, but I got lazy. These are my sweaters down here. And these are all sweatpants, and we have a few too many. These are all my hoodies that I love. And then my shorts, a few more skirts. I don't know why there's skirts everywhere. Athleisure's down here. And then I have shoes all at the bottom and back here, if you want to look. And then my purses are a bit just like much. So yeah, could be a lot more organized. Definitely. And have a lot less.